Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to move subscribers between lists in GetResponse quickly and easily. First, log into your GetResponse account. From the dashboard, click on Contacts, open the contact list that contains the subscribers you want to move. Select one or more contacts by checking the boxes next to their names. Next, click the Actions button. Choose the option to copy or move contacts. Depending on your account features, select the destination contact list where you want the subscribers to be placed. If you're moving the contacts, they will be removed from the original list after being transferred. Review your selection carefully, then click Confirm to complete the process. The selected subscribers will now appear in the new contact list. Moving contacts between lists is useful for organizing your audience, managing different campaigns, and separating subscribers based on their interests or activity. That's it. You've successfully moved subscribers between lists in GetResponse. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more quick GetResponse tutorials, software guides, and online business tips.